Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today you're seeing the second try, and this is the third. Third time is a charm. I'm going to just put down my paints. I'll list them all down below. It's been a long day. Just going to fill this up. Going to do a little bloom here today. Little ASMR. So sit back and relax. We'll make this a short video. I hope you enjoy the day. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you at the end. And I'll take you in for a close-up. And maybe a little dried result too.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. Shine, darling. Shine. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
With the outcome finally. Look at those piggies shine. And just wait a second here. When you see the dried results, you're going to be totally amazed. It really came out gorgeous. I'm really happy with this. So yeah, took a while today. A lot has to do, I think, with the weather. I really believe that. But I got some nice lacing in there. Got some pretty cells. I got the colors going kind of the way I wanted it. Really, that I was looking for something similar to this. So I'm really happy with this piece. And so here comes the dried results. Looks really three-dimensional. Take a nice little look in there. Really is really pretty. Just a few little colors. Not too heavy. Not too heavy on the colors. Check that out. Check out that shine. Those piggies really give a great shine. If you're not subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye now. Donna from Hollywood, signing off.